Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a stylish button using HTML and CSS. Not only that, when we click the button, it will open another HTML web page in a new tab. This is very useful when you want to connect multiple web pages together. Now, we are going to save this file with a .html extension. First, we will start with the basic HTML structure using the HTML, head and body tags. Inside the head section, we will give a title to our page and also write the CSS code inside the style tag. We create a class to apply the same style to multiple elements and keep our code organized and reusable. And this in our code is known as .btn. In this class, we set the background color to purple, change the text color to white, add padding to make the button bigger, add a border and rounded corners, and change the cursor to a pointer when hovered. So now here's our button. We can see that the color is purple and the text is white. This is how it is when I hover over the button. The color doesn't change. We will also use .btn hover to change the button color when the user moves the cursor over it. This makes our button look interactive and modern. Now when I hover on the button, the color changes. Now we close the style tag. Then close the head tag, and after that we open the body tag. Inside this body tag, we will create the button. In order to link a web page to this button, we use the A tag, also called the anchor tag, to add the link. Inside this tag, we place our button. The href attribute is used to specify the destination URL or file that will open when the button is clicked. To obtain the URL or file, simply open the desired file, copy the link from the address bar, and paste it inside the href attribute. The target equal to blank attribute is used to open the link in a new tab. If we do not want the link to open in a new tab, then we simply do not write target equal to blank. Then we create the button using button tag. And inside the button tag, we must include the class because we have styled the class of the button. So we write button class equal to btn because btn is the name of the CSS class we created to apply styling to the button. But you can use any class name without space. Here btn is just an example. Then write the text you want to display inside the button and close the button tag. Then close A. Now close the body and HTML tag. So when we click on the button, it opens another HTML file in a separate tab. This is how we can create navigation between web pages using buttons. In this video, we learned how to style a button using CSS, how to use the anchor tag to add links, how to open a web page in a new tab using target blank. Try this on your own and connect multiple web pages together to build your own mini website. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.